Before we get started with this video, if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and check out my trading cards game, Godwrath. The links will be in the description box below. Thanks. Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to advise you to do your best, but know when to stop. So what I mean is, when creating your game or idea, do the best that you can for your creation, but do not try to satisfy the need or want of others, or reach for perfection. Build your game or idea until you get it to work. Once you've gotten to the point where everything flows smoothly, you should at that point examine whether fine-tuning your idea more will actually have a big enough impact on your creation to warrant the time and energy that you spend on that improvement. Oftentimes, it is better to let it go and focus your time and energy on other aspects of your creation that will have a bigger impact. Nitpicking your creation or entertaining the nitpicking of others about your creation will only leave you frustrated and stressed in the long run, simply because you will never be able to satisfy everyone or create a perfect game without any faults. There will always be aspects of a game that people will find good or bad. If you like this video, please feel free to subscribe to my channel and also check out my trading cards game, Godwrath. The links of the game can be found in the description box below. Thanks. Bye.